Yes, absolutely. Gold is forward looking. Soon things will change and the price will take off again. If you're looking for an update on the gold and silver price, you're in the right place. Ron's Basement. Have you noticed they're throwing everything they have at it? And what does a 10-year-old say about gold and silver? I've got all that and a lot more. Let's get started. I don't know if you've heard this, but recently I heard someone say gold is the only form of money that everybody in the world can agree on. Everybody. That means everybody knows that gold is valuable. But what about a 10-year-old? And this is good news. I asked my 10-year-old daughter this morning, we were waking up, we went downstairs, she was looking at her tablet, and I said, hey, if you were walking through the woods and you found a chest and you opened that chest and there was a treasure inside of it, what would you hope that it would be? And she immediately said gold. And she said, next, silver. The point is, even kids, everyone knows that gold and silver are always valuable everywhere. But I digress. This video is about the price of gold and silver, and it's been challenging lately. But keep this in mind. Gold is still holding strong around the 1800, 1850 per ounce area. And that's with them throwing everything bearish, everything negative for the price of gold that they have at it. We've got a strong US dollar. We have high interest rates. We have waning interest in the geopolitical situation in Ukraine. The freshness of that has kind of worn off. We've got a slowing US housing market. Many people think the housing bubble is bursting. Also, we have a slow motion crash occurring on Wall Street. The general markets are going down. I've heard it referred to as a slow motion crash. All of those things work in concert. It's a confluence, and not the kind of confluence that us gold people want to see and silver people, but it's a confluence of negative factors that's working to push down the price of gold. But here's the good news for gold and silver. Despite them throwing everything they have at the metals, every negative thing they can at the metals, they are fighting and holding tight right now and building a good base from which they could stage a major rally in the future. Now, another important thing to remember. I've always said this. Everyone says this. Gold and silver are forward looking. That means they always look out into the future. Well, soon as they look out into the future, instead of further rate hikes, they're going to start to see further easing from the Fed, and that's going to act as a very, very supportive factor for the metals, for the stocks. We will be happier again, happier than we already are right now, and we'll feel good about our investments in the precious metals. Hey, I don't have a crystal ball. Don't make any financial decisions based upon what I said to you today, but I'm glad you're here in Ron's Basement. You are always welcome. There's another video here. You can subscribe here. I'll see you soon.